Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your in-game username on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page, from which you can start from various different game modes. Now, if you wish to change your in-game username, then from the home page, tap on Profile and Inbox. Now, within this page, you will see your username. In order to change this, go ahead and tap on the Edit Name button at the bottom right corner, and you will now be told that your first time editing your name will be free. So if you wish to proceed, then simply tap on the name box and then type in your desired name. After tapping on the free button to confirm your name change, your username will now be changed within the Asphalt game right away. And now if you tap on Edit Name once again, you are required to use certain tokens in order to change it once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game username on the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.